fidgets and slime. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna be like boom, boom. Oh, well, now you have to make more marble mesh slime. Don't do the puppet. But before we get started,
did you guys smash that like and subscribe? Mom, what did you guys think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? And we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
the first shout out goes to Jenny HUI.
And the second shout out goes to Simi Vlogs.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you guys. If you want to shout out, you should follow us on
Alright,
let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to pick their fidget first for the slime.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper. Okay.
You trying to cheat again?
Alright, I'm gonna mix some with Keegan.
Dang it, I got squishy.
Alright. You mix it up for me now. Where are they?
Right there. Yeah.
There they are. What's this? The dog!
How are you gonna make a puppet?
I know how.
Let's go get ingredients.
I wish I got the square puppet.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go first, so first things first. I need yellow. And then I'm gonna need a white, so I'm gonna get Daiso clay. And then there's rainbow. So that's an empty red, orange. Wait, is that an orange? Didn't look. There it is. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then I just need black. And then I'm good.
Okay. So, I got the yellow dog puppet. I have the perfect idea. So, where are you? You little rats all hiding from me? Oh. Maybe it's in golden? Nope. Bracket? Well, I have one upstairs. That's gonna be it. But anyways, I'm gonna get some yellow clay. I think we're gonna get this. And then glue and activate item. Good. We're back. And the thing I was getting from upstairs is this. Now I'm gonna start off by adding some glue. I'm starting to get concerned because this is a lot smaller than what I have going on. So, oh my gosh, is this orange? I'm so mad. You got the same place, it's literally orange.
Wait, where's my squishy?
Back in the bin.
Oh.
This is not the right color.
I don't care. I can make it work.
I can't, guys. My whole slime is yellow and I got orange.
Alright, I'm trying to do this away from this because here, I'm going to try to get it in the camera. I just don't want it to get in my bowl, so I'm just going to...
This is something nice to feel first thing in the morning.
It's only 10. It's 10:03 just now.
This might work, but I honestly think the color is going to be way too off. I use my bad hands.
Cheese ants.
So that's gonna make, I mean, the color's off a little bit, but it's kinda,
Mine's good. You just need to add white glue to it.
I know.
This looks like cheese.
Exactly, it's orange.
Cheese is not orange. Guys, we're talking shit. One time when I went to my camp for school, we went to a field trip and they have like these Philly cheesesteaks and they were like horrible meat. It was like rubber and I would not eat it. They had the best cheese there. I probably ate 12 cheese slices for dinner.
That's sad. That sounds like what I would do. This is a lie. It is not Jello. But you see what I'm doing here? It looks like a Pop-It when you squish down, so you can be like, oh, oh no, this isn't good for my presentation. No. I'm just trying to get all the orange off because it is way too mishy to be ishy for my fishy.
I'm the smartest man alive.
That is not same color. I was scared about doing that. Okay, there we go. I can make the Pop-It imprint. Hold up, wait a minute. What if I trace it? Let's see how doggy it looks. No!
Hi.
I got it all off. We're good.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
There we go.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
Like some big thieves.
Who thought making a unicorn could be so hard?
That looks like a Pop-It. Small Bobby. Okay, say name, age, and their name.
Now let me rip. Now let
Whoa, that feels really.
Riley!
Yeah.
How's my unicorn?
Oh, sorry. I wrecked my puppy.
The heck?
Have you ever wanted to like make a Pop-It with your slime? Like,
oh, this is horrible. The unicorn, it looks like a little kid's nightmare.
I think it looks great.
I'm trying to make the tails of the unicorn. All right, it's good enough. This thing's like some kind of mutant Angry Bird. I'm ready.
Keegan, go ahead and show us your fidget toy that you had to remake.
Can't see the difference.
You actually can.
The moon's amazing. The unicorn looked like it got in a fight.
The unicorn looks like a street combat warrior.
Overall, I think you did a good job, though. All right, Riley, show us what you had for a fidget toy.
I had the dog Pop-It.
Nice.
I'm just gonna
What did you do?
this layer. Hold on, it looks okay. So it looked like a good dog until I put this racket on, and it made him a little on the bigger side.
I see what you're going for, though.
Yeah, and like you can have the little.
Yeah, I think you both did a really good job.
Yeah, my unicorn looks amazing. All right, guys.
We hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button. And also, don't forget to get your Slime Siblings merch. $25 if it's shipping, right? And it's only local, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to get your nice Slime Siblings tee up in the building, you should go get one.
I just said, oh, we'll give you 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3,
All right,
2,
anyways, bye, guys.
Bye.